Hi, Harry from Berthon here, and today Rob's going to show you around the Pearl 62 AKOYA built by Pearl Yachts in 2020. Enjoy!
Hello and welcome to Berthon in Lymington. I'm Robert Steadman, I'm the New York Sales Manager for Berthon, and we are the dealer for Pearl Yachts both in the UK and France. And I'm going to be showing you the Pearl 62, so this is the entry level for the range. They've now built 14 of the 62 since 2020. So Pearl are a boutique luxury Flybridge yacht builder, making quite a name at the moment. This is AKOYA, she came very highly specified, and I'll show you more now. So here on the bathing platform, you can see behind that moulding we have a jet ski garage. And here on the platform we can stow a Williams 345 or equivalent, so this platform's hydraulic will launch that tender. So there's a passerelle on board this boat. And we'll go and have a look at the interior. Absolutely stunning. So this is the modern interior from Kelly Hoppen. So you'll see light oak, the interior, this nice black powder coating throughout. Galley is finished in this marble. All very high end and good quality. Then we have this little breakfast bar off to starboard. So here we have a drop down window, so that'll create this bar area. And obviously when we're underway that all gets shut. Full melee cooking on board, we've got full height fridge and freezer, everything you would expect. Look at this fantastic saloon, it's so light and airy. Lots and lots of glasswork, which is what Pearl are renowned for. And you've got this sociable seating. Great space to have people over. And we've got storage all underneath these seats. Very practical and functional boats are the Pearls. So our main controls panel, it's all our digital switching, got our head unit to the fusion system there. Bolstered helm and co-pilot seats. You can see we've got our throttles, a joystick, we've got our Garmin controls, bow thruster on this boat. Got a side access door. Here she comes fully equipped. Now this is the secret to this boat. We've got the private entrance to an aft master cabin, which is very unusual on a boat of this size. And she is full beam. Huge bed, so that is a Super King bed. No compromises here. And a great view out from those whole windows. So Kelly Hoppen accessories are included with this sail. So she has styled every single detail on board. Little vanity unit. Then we have the ensuite. This is a rainfall shower. So obviously we have hot water on board. This boat runs on a 18 kilowatt generator. So you have got power whether you're on the dock or anchor. Beautiful soft lighting throughout. Just a really great space to be. The cabin is really the wow factor. We have got a washing machine and dryer as well on board in the master. Okay, you can see that double windscreen really gives a lot of natural light into an area that's normally considered quite dark. And we move into the forward VIP. See again, huge bed. Big wardrobes both sides. We've got cupboard space underneath the bed. And through that mirror is actually a TV. And ensuite here. Again with rainfall shower, really luxurious place to be, to bring guests. And we'll see one of the first identical twin cabins. So these cabins will convert to doubles. These nice reading lights. Full blinds package throughout. And again, lots of storage. It's a really practical, livable boat. Though it's luxurious, it doesn't feel precious. It's certainly been a very, very popular model. So here in the portside cabin, you have access to the day head. So that's 3 cabins with ensuite access. It's very impressive on a boat of this size. Really good size heads, good headroom everywhere. You have to come and see this boat to believe the space you receive. And you can see that double windscreen that's so synonymous with Pearl now. Really great feature. So you can see pop-out TV. Have a good look at this cockpit area. It's different to some of the competitors. It's, you know, full beam, goes right across the way. Obviously that gives you the space in the jet ski garage, which no one else is doing at the moment. You can see that advantage of the full overhang. Gives you that shaded area, and we're able to put a canopy the whole way around. So works very well for our UK clients as another space in the winter to be able to sit. And we're going to have a look at these nice large side decks. And again, the feeling you have of protection when you're walking around this boat is fantastic. It's something you have to come and see for yourself. Massive stainless work. Really is impressive. These boats are built in the Far East, so you often find that stainless and the teak decks are big features of those built boats. can see we've got these pop-up foredeck lights. Gee, foredeck's fantastic space. This table folds away. That headrest can pop up, so you can get a little bit more comfortable on there. We've got space for our fenders in the chain locker. We've got two big line lockers, both port and starboard, so this is a boat to be used to go to sea. That's the window that leads into the VIP. Again, Pearl just taking the detail to another level. AKOYA was finished in teak. She, like I said, she was very highly specified. She has got the grey caulking, which just works beautifully. We'll go and have a look in the engine room now. These engines are Volvo's IPS 1200s. So this is on a pod drive system. This gives you excellent manoeuvrability. So you've got two pods underneath the boat. You can turn them on a joystick and you have the effect of being able to go sideways. They're powered from Volvo's D13, so they're 900 horsepower. They're a big engine block, and this is taking the boat to around 30 knots. She cruises comfortably at 24 knots. You can see this is our Kohler generator here. It's really, really neat install. Plenty of space to get around the engines. You can see those pods there. Fantastic for people that are getting into boating. Really intuitive way of learning to drive the boat, and obviously having the option of going sideways can be very helpful. This boat is also fitted with DPS, so it's a dynamic positioning system. Some people call it a sky hook, so you push this button and the computer with the engines will hold you in that position no matter the tide or wind state. It really is quite an impressive bit of kit. So heading up onto the Flybridge, this was my favourite part of the boat. We've got this huge hard top which can be fully enclosed. At a touch of a button, gives you some shelter. Everything repeated on the helm, again that's all Garmin screens. Is integrated with Volvo, so you've got all your engine data on there. You've got CCTV cameras on board. And there is a Seakeeper on this boat, so we've got a Seakeeper 9 gyro stabilizer. These are very effective at anchor but also underway. So huge Flybridge, again massive entertaining area, which is what Pearl's all about. Got a radar system. So off to starboard we have the wet bar. We have a electric grill. Got a sink. We got a fridge and ice maker. So, like I said, this boat was really highly specified from new. She's still running on very modest hours. Engine hours are now 166, so she's still got many more to do. She's been fully serviced. She's skipper maintained, and you can really see that when you come on board. The condition is fantastic. Available now with Berthon. Come and see us.